Thinking of importing your car from Saudi Arabia to the United States? It's a big move with technical steps, paperwork, and specific costs. Let's simplify the process and help you import your vehicle smoothly. Importing a car from Saudi Arabia typically costs between $1,500 and $3,500, depending on vehicle size, shipping method, and the destination port. In the U.S., shipping time usually ranges from 20 to 30 days, with customs clearance adding an extra 5 to 7 days. You can choose between two main shipping methods: row-row, roll-on/roll-off. Drive the car onto the ship. It's economical but less protected. Container shipping: your car is placed in a 20-foot container. It's more expensive but safer and allows for extra items. Ensure you have all the required paperwork before shipping: vehicle title and proof of ownership, export clearance from Saudi authorities, EPA Form 3521 for emissions, DOT Form HS7 for safety standards, bill of lading, and export documents. Non-compliant vehicles may need costly modifications, and neglected paperwork can lead to significant delays. Not every vehicle qualifies for import. U.S. rules differ from international standards, and vehicles must meet DOT and EPA regulations. Importing a non-compliant car can cost tens of thousands in modifications, or be denied entry unless it's a historic or limited edition suitable under the show or display exemption. Importing a car from Saudi Arabia involves costs, compliance, and thorough planning, but those who prepare can bring in their vehicle confidently. Know the rules, budget wisely, and plan ahead. Thanks for watching. For more exporting and auto import tips, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Safe travels and successful shipping.